Welcome to this video, a little demo of the Artec 50 element for the guitar. You can see it has been put in by me. It has a wiring going to a jack. I drilled a little hole, not too big, sanded it afterwards a little so it would be a tight fit. So it would be a good tight fit. Anyway, I did some test recordings and I made a simultaneous recording from the jack output from the element, as well as with a mic, so you can hear the difference between the acoustic sound recorded by the mic. Of course, that does give some coloring also, and the element itself. As you could hear, there is of course a difference. This element has a lot of resemblance with a sort of electric guitar. Still, it does give the acoustic feel, and I'm using it especially for playing in church, because well, electric guitar doesn't fit the music we play there. Acoustic does. I normally use my Samick electroacoustic, but that's a electroacoustic with a piezo element under the bridge, and when I listen to the sound of the service later on YouTube, on live streams or the audio recordings, I did not like what I hear. So I decided to buy this and install it. It was only 30 euros at Thomann from Germany. The sound is okay. I mean, if I wanted a real professional sound, I should have taken a Fishman Rare Earth or something like that. But well, that's at least almost 10 times the price tag. So I'm not going to pay that for an element I use only once a month. So I hope you like this demo. You get an idea from how it sounds, and well, that's it. Thanks for listening.